Hello guys, this is the Samsung smartphone, and in this video as you saw in thumbnails, today's video is fully dedicated to unlock any Samsung smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure that your Samsung smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all and watch this video properly till the end. Your Samsung smartphone will be unlocked today 100%. If my previous video didn't work on your Samsung phone and your Samsung smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry. By the new method what I am going to give in this video, your Samsung smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. What? Watch this video properly till the end. Okay. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometime the Samsung smartphone is locked. And in this video, I am telling you how can you unlock your Samsung smartphone without any computer, without any system, without any software, without any PC, okay, and without any data loss also. Before revealing this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your Samsung smartphone should not battery charge less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your smartphone at the time of use this method to unlock your Samsung smartphone. One of the most important thing I would like to tell you that this method is updated every month. So if your Samsung smartphone will be not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my older videos and my upcoming videos, and for this you must subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if your smartphone will be unlocked with this trick, then do like the video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video to help you further. Okay my friend, understand? First of all, whenever your Samsung smartphone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your any Samsung model by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. Now you have to use some methods in your mobile screen password locks page. Okay, I'm gonna to teach you how can you unlock your Samsung smartphone at your home. Okay, this is the Samsung mobile. As you can see here, this is the Samsung name in this mobile. Okay, and this is the lock screen of Samsung smartphone. Okay, when I am swipe up the smartphone, option of draw your pattern password lock comes in your mobile screen. When I am going to click this emergency call option, you have to repeat the same process also and click the medical info here. Click the edit option here, and also you have to draw a wrong password. Okay, you can see that incorrect pattern comes in your smartphone. Then repeat the same process again. Click the emergency call option, click the medical info, click to add info, and here you have to put a wrong password here like that. Okay, again click the emergency call option, but you have to click in this time plus icon, tap plus to add emergency contact. You have to click it. You can see that to edit your emergency contact, you need to unlock your phone. Click the OK button, and you have to repeat the same wrong password here like that. Incorrect pattern drawn. Okay, click the emergency call option also again, and here in this time you have to call a code *#565656*01 *25550*8888 and #. This is the master unlocking code. You have to use this code to your Samsung smartphone emergency call option. Okay, use that code and click the option here. Okay, this is the option comes in your smartphone. Then again you have to type another number here, *#696969*125577 and #. You can take screenshot here This is the number *#5696969 *1255577 and #, and you have to call this option again, and this message comes in your mobile screen. After that, you have to click the back button here and wait for 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5, and also you have to open this mobile screen and draw here a new pattern like that. This is the default password after resetting your mobile, and you can see that, my friends, your Samsung smartphone is completely unlocked and there is no any photos, videos and data loss of your Samsung smartphone. In this way, you can unlock any Samsung smartphone at your home in just only 2 minutes. If your Samsung mobile is still not unlocked from this method, in that case, you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 2 to 3 minutes, and so that you will be also able to unlock your Samsung mobile phone. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.